By the way, this here heater is working pretty good here. If I had a temperature gauge, I could tell you how warm it is, but I don't. But it's nice. It's real nice. Okay. So let's get my corn computer out, and I'm gonna look up that thing I was telling you about. And it's got to where now in today's world they don't send you instructions anymore. They send you, a lot of times they'll put a video up and you buy something and you pull up the video and the video tells you how to install it. It's pretty handy, I guess. They ain't got no I mean, because you know how it is, if they send you instructions, they're gonna have to write them in 47 different languages because there's different people all over the world that wants to read them. Speak English, like we do here in America. But, okay. Video instructions are still okay. So, let's see what we got here. Bring up my thing. Give me my thing. Let's have a look. This says distinguish the right and left side rail separately. Find the joint face of the slider with the slider with the bracket. I'm thinking that one has the thing facing in. Like this face out. How does this? Line the slider rail mounting holes with the holes at the bottom of the U seat, then tighten them with the matching screws. Use the same procedure to install the other side. Install the U-shaped regulator, U-rail, and testing with the use normal. Look at something here. Alright, so it looks like this goes like this. And these holes go here. Yeah. And this goes in that. That goes. I might have to just install the stallman cables, baby. See what I think and see if it works. If it don't work, I don't think I like it. I might have to come up with a different way. It's okay though, I don't mind that. I'm used to adversity when things don't go my way. I don't whine about it. I just do it over, do it different way. That's how I rock and roll, folks. So, okay. Mash that down and this comes out. This one's going to go over here. And this one's going to go over here. Yep. A little bit tricky, but it can be done. Okay, this here is how these here go. Now, when you open up the bottom of the seat, you got a hole, a little bitty hole, smaller than the screw, so you have to kind of force the screw to go down through that hole. So I got 4 holes here, and I'm gonna have to force that screw to go down in that hole 4 different places. So I got one there, I got one here. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I got another package of these screws down there, because I'm gonna need more of these. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Where's that other one? It would be somewhat like me to have lost it before I even started. I do that kind of thing, you know. In fact, I got special skills in that sort of thing. But if I did, the other thing about me is if I do something wrong, I won't complain about it or whine about it. I'll just go and find me some more screws and make some if I have to. So I'll roll, buddy. So, okay, there's one there, so I just need these 3, and that one I have 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all 4 of them into the hole. These holes are somewhat virginal. They ain't never had to put a screw, never had nobody put a screw into them before, so they don't want to just automatically have it happen, but they will if you know, it's like an old girlfriend. Well, she wasn't really, yeah, I guess she was. Like this lady. No, I wouldn't use that term either. Lady. We're just woman in a truck stop. We'll use that. Woman in a truck stop said one time. She said, "Don't fit horses." Well, the camera quit working when I said that, so you probably recognized that as an inappropriate comment. It probably, what's the word? It censored me from talking when I said what I said, because I'm pretty sure the camera recognized what I said as being inappropriate. That happens sometimes. Hold up. Get over. Move on. Deal. Making myself clear enough here? Hope so. Here don't much want to work. So this ain't as easy as it sounds. Or as easy as it looks. A lot of things in life are like that. That one there just needed to be forced a little bit, but it worked after a little bit of what's the word I'm looking for? Force. After I put a little force to it, it did work. So, okay. So let's put this one back on, and I need to look at my corn computer again, making sure I'm putting the right one in the right place. So put the corn computer right here. I'll flip this here open, and it looks like that one is not this one, because this needs to be facing in and this needs to be facing, nope, wait, that is this one. So that needs to be like that and like that. So this needs to go I have to study on this. So this needs to go there and down there. Except this one will come out here, go into here, and that will go into here, and then this will go back up there. Oh, don't drop that off. Don't drop that little washer off right there. Okay.
I guess I might as well take this one off here because I'm going to have to anyway in a minute. It'll be in the way if it don't. Take that one out of there. Put this one in here. How am I ever going to tighten that other one up? Reach through there, maybe. Maybe not. No, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going and see how far we get before they stop us, okay? Maybe I'll move around. I need to get a window in front of this building because sometimes I hear noises out there and I don't know if it's the North Korean army coming down my driveway to take me prisoner or the Russians. Could be the Russians. You know, they have been known to invade peaceful countries before. And I am a peaceful country, so they could be invading me right now. And I'm in here with the door closed. I wouldn't even have time to get my nuclear weapons out. And I'd say, dang. If that happened, I'd say, dang. I'd say, dang again. Okay, and let's mash this. Push this. Push it or mash it. I don't know. One or the other. Anyway, I gotta move this to get that to go there. So. I guess I'll make sure that's good and tight before I move it, because otherwise I'll move it again. Go ahead and tighten that up good and snug. You might want a screwdriver to wiggle this thing up here. See, that kind of helps. See, that lines that up, sort of. Get some more of that. Y'all see what I'm doing here? Pay attention now, I'm gonna repeat myself. Y'all have to pay attention if you want to get this first time around. You miss it. If you miss it, you miss it. You see, that ain't lining up. I gotta undo this one. Move it to a different hole. Maybe I should have done that one first. Dang, I say. Dang again. That's what I'll do is I'll put this down through there. See, now I can't get to that. This is tricky, but I can get to that. So if I take this out of that and move that to that, okay, I can do that. Well, maybe I have to slide that up the other one to that other hole. Let's try that. Put this back on there and then we'll see. Very few things is as easy as they make them look. When you're watching it on the advertisational video that comes with the product, and makes it look pretty easy. Sometimes it ain't that easy. Sometimes it's more harder. It takes more skill to figure it out. Now this thing here has to go down and fat, and this thing has to slide up. So I have to push this down while I'm sliding this up. That's working. And then I have to get where I can reach that hole there. So I hope this will slide that far. Let's try it. So far, so good. Need to go a little more. You see, I could stop here and start whining and complaining, but I'm not going to. And you might be wondering why I keep bringing it up, and I'm going to tell you why. Although it goes against my principles to talk about politics, but I am tired of people calling other people mean-spirited and nasty things over politics. I don't talk about politics, and I'm only talking about politics to explain that I don't talk about politics, and I'm going to do this once, I ain't going to do it again. What I'm saying is, I'm not going to repeat myself, so y'all get this the first time. I don't like it when people are mean-spirited about much of anything, but especially, I don't like it when people are mean-spirited about politics. We live in a world where, and we live in a country where if you don't like the way things are going, you vote. We don't live in a world where if you don't like the way things are going, you attack your neighbors. Y'all getting this? The reason we hadn't had a civil war in this country since we had the last civil war is because we don't live in a world where we attack our neighbors because we don't like what they like. Well, cut it out. We get tired of hearing you attacking people or whatever it is you think they think. Y'all just quit that, because I ain't gonna put up with it. You ain't gonna don't expect to be on my internet talking to me and having me reading your stuff if you ain't civil enough to be civil. That's all I'm saying. I won't put up with it. Not from you or anybody else. I don't know how long. I don't care how long you think you've been hanging around and how much of a nice guy you are and how much I like you. I won't put up with it. Now, there. How's that? You see how good that is? And we're going to have one of these on each side, and they're going to work together. It's not going to be that we're going to have this side working against that side. It's going to be they work together. You know why? Because that's how politics works. Huh. Maybe. Okay. I ain't going to say any more about politics. I'm not politics out. I ain't going to talk no more about politics. So you'll stop it. Stop. Stop making me do that. And believe me, you don't want me to come out there. Because if I do, oh, your mama, you're going to wish you had your mama to straighten you out after I get through with you. That's all I'm saying. Where was we? Where was we before y'all got me off on that?